This is our Dart range of wooden cabinet knobs. We do these in 3 different sizes, the 48mm, the 40mm and the 30mm, and we offer them in 3 different wood types, being the oak, the maple and the walnut. They are all finished in a satin lacquer finish, and the profile is a lovely profile for highlighting all the grain of the timber. It's a very modern looking knob with very straight lines, but as I said, and I assure you can appreciate, you can see all the grain from the wood. It's absolutely lovely. It just shows off the grain in the wood splendidly. These knobs are handmade here on Dartmoor in Devon, and they are offered, as I said, in all the different timber ranges, but in the bottom there is a insert which accepts a 30mm screw which is supplied with each knob.